Hi everyone, Happy New Year to you. Hope you're having a great start to your 2022. Just want to put together a very quick video answering a question that I get asked about pretty regularly, which is regarding the Tonearm setup and calibration for Denon fully automatic turntables like this one here. So this is a Denon DP-47F. And the Tonearm setup procedure, it works for Tonearms that are on the DP-37, the DP-45, and very similar turntables that feature the dynamic servo tracer arm. So we're going to go through step by step how to do this. And when you purchase a turntable from me, I include a copy of the manual so that you can follow the step-by-step procedure in properly setting up your Tonearm. So first and foremost, on these fully automatic Denons, the first step, leave your power off. Because of the nature of these dynamic servo tracer arms, there are magnets built into this that control the anti-skate, the tracking force, and also a feature called Q damping. And Q damping is essentially the same thing up and down that anti-skate does for side to side. So leave your turntable off, because if you turn it on, you will power the magnets in the Tonearm and you won't get a proper setup. So leave it off. Next, you'll want to unhook your Tonearm and you'll put your counterweight on. And I've already got it on here, but you'll want to put the counterweight on. And as you can see here, you want it to be perfectly neutrally balanced like that. Just completely free floating, no tracking force on it at all. This is a very common problem that I hear, people putting extra tracking force weight on with the counterweight on these automatic tables. You can't do that. You will mess up the calibration of your tracking force, and you'll have extra tracking force that will wear down your stylus. So just leave the counterweight set to leave your arm neutrally buoyant and no tracking force at all. So we can just return this back real quick. And then you're going to come over here. Now, on these Denon turntables, on the 47, there's one dial that controls the stylus force, the Q damping, and the anti-skate. And this is a Denon DP-45, and this is also very similar to a 37, where there are two dials. One that controls the stylus force as in anti-skating, and the other one that controls Q damping. Now, for a two-dial system like this, you set both of them to the same value. And the cartridge that's on this turntable needs 1.8 grams. So in this case here, you set both dials to 1.8 grams. And then back to the 47 here, with the one dial, it's really easy. You just set it to the value that you need. And this Ortofon cartridge needs 2 grams. So I run it at 2 grams. And then from there, turn on the power, press start, and you're off to the races. So there you go. It's a really easy setup. Just making sure that you take the time to follow the manual as it's instructing to set up the Tonearm properly, not applying the extra counterweight for tracking force. Do not do that. Remember that the magnets in the Tonearm will do that itself so that you don't have to worry about that. So there you go. Hope this helps. All the best, and catch you on the next video.